Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set pattern lock in oppo. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon and after that wait for a second. You will see many options. Scroll up some more, scroll up, and here you will see many options. You have to click on that option, password and biometrics option. Click on that. After that click on the lock screen password. Now enter the current password which is already set in your mobile phone. After that click on the modify password and now again enter your old password. Click on the use a different pattern type option and after that you will choose that lock type which you want to set. I want to set pattern lock, so click on pattern. Now draw your pattern. After that again verify your pattern, and if you want to add fingerprint, so click on add. I doesn't want, so click on cancel and I will show you result. Here you will see pattern lock is set in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.